Step 5. Optimize an image. 2D mode. In 2D mode, rotate the 2D key and adjust the gain. Press and rotate the focus key to adjust the number of multifocuses, and then press the key again to fix it. There are soft key knobs at the top of the control panel. You can find the soft key function easily because the locations of the touch menus and the soft key knobs are the same. Rotate the soft key knob to adjust the parameter and press the knob to change the item below. The soft key function is applied according to each image mode. The inversion harmonic function is enabled to improve image quality. This function improves the contrast between tissues compared to general harmonic imaging, since unnecessary signals, noise, artifacts in the lower frequency are reduced. Color flow mode. Press the CF key to start color flow mode. Press the Set key and adjust the size of the ROI box, and then fix the size using the Set key again. Adjust ROI steer by rotating the angle knob at the top. If it is a horizontal vessel, you will probably need to steer the color box to obtain a good Doppler angle. You should make it parallel to the flow direction. Adjust the flow state according to velocity. If fine-tuning is required, adjust the PRF using the soft key. You can enter Power Doppler, DPDI, and Micro View mode in CF mode. Pulsed Wave Doppler mode. Press the PW key to enter Pulsed Wave Doppler mode. The spectrum will be immediately displayed for quick diagnosis. Adjust the sample volume position. Adjust the sample volume size using the SV button on the touchscreen. It is most desirable to set the size to 1/3 of the vessel size. You can see the depth with dotted lines. Also, you can switch the sequence. If you activate the Show MD cursor in the general page of Image Preset, then sequence will be changed. Enter PW mode. Adjust the MD cursor and activate the spectrum using the PW key. If the spectrum looks cropped, increase the scale or adjust the baseline. If you lost Doppler signal during the scan, click the Update key to find the image again while the Doppler spectrum is turned off. Then press the Update key again to activate the spectrum. Or press the simultaneous button to see both ultrasound image and spectrum in real time. Press Freeze when the correct signal is displayed. Adjust the angle using the angle knob on the trackball to make it parallel to the flow direction. Rotate the soft key knob to adjust the sweep speed as well. Auto calculation. The auto calculation function in PW mode automatically calculates the measurements supported by PW mode. To use the auto calculation function, you can select on the touchscreen. Press Auto Calc Cycle to adjust the cycle of automatic calculation. You can also change the calculated item on the top left in System Preset. Enter System Preset, Measurement, Advanced Measure. You can select calculation items on Auto Trace Calculation section. M mode. Press the M key to enter M mode. Adjust the MD cursor and press the M key to enable M mode image. Rotate the M key to adjust the M mode image gain and adjust the 2D image gain using the 2D key. Rotate the soft key knob to adjust sweep speed. Anatomical M. Using this function, you can adjust the angle according to the anatomical position of the heart. You can see the image in the desired area by moving or rotating the M line. Tap the anatomical M button on the touchscreen. To see the image with an adjusted angle, rotate the angle knob. Continuous wave Doppler, tissue Doppler imaging. This mode is used for cardiac scanning. You need to request your local dealer to activate this function. It is recommended to connect the ECG cable in the main unit to display the ECG. CW Doppler. CW Doppler is able to pick up continuous transmission and reception and measure high velocity accurately. Press the CW key to enter CW Doppler mode. To acquire spectrum, match the CW Doppler line and blood flow direction, then press the CW key again. Tissue Doppler imaging. This function is also used for cardiac scanning. Scan the apical four-chamber view, enter CF mode, and then press TDI on the touchscreen to view the image. Adjust ROI according to the image. Then enter the PW mode and adjust the sample volume to about 5 millimeters. Then place at the mitral annulus and activate the spectrum by pressing PW. Freeze the image. After scanning, press Measure and select TDI on the touchscreen, and then measure E', A', S' of the septal or lateral.